Hi all. In today's video, we'll talk about the need for product demos. At the end of each development cycle, typically a sprint, the product owner conducts a demo of the functionality developed. The audience of this demo will include the key stakeholders involved in the idea and investment of the product. Product demos during development are critical due to multiple reasons. Some of these are engagement. Product demos actively involve stakeholders, fostering engagement and collaboration throughout the development process. Transparency. They provide visibility into the product's progress, enabling stakeholders to track development milestones and understand where the project stands. That way, they don't need to wait for a longer period of time. They can see the progress in short intervals, which gives them a lot of confidence. Feedback. Demos facilitate early and frequent feedback from stakeholders, helping teams validate assumptions and refine features based on their input. Validations. Stakeholders can visually experience the product's functionality, validating its alignment with user needs and expectations. Prioritization. Feedback gathered from demos help teams prioritize features effectively, ensuring the delivery of high-value functionality. Risk mitigation. Regular demos allow teams to identify and address issues early, mitigating risks and maximizing the likelihood of project deploys. Iterative improvement. Incorporating feedback from demos enables iterative development to the product, enhancing its usability and overall quality. Alignment. Demos promote alignment among stakeholders by providing a shared understanding of the objectives, priorities, and progress. Customer satisfaction. By delivering a product that meets user needs and expectations, demos contribute to overall customer satisfaction and retention. Continuous improvement. Product demos encourage a culture of continuous improvement, driving innovation and evolution of the product over time. So demos are a forum where developers can show off their work, and then stakeholders can see the progress and appreciate the progress the team is making over time. So use it as a forum to show off your work. Thank you.